sum from n equals 2 until infinity of 3n squared plus 10n plus 6 over 2 to the power n times n to the power 4 plus 4. So the first thing we want to do is factor n to the power 4 plus 4. So I think that's pretty easy. N to the power 4 plus 4 is the same as n to the power 4 plus 4 plus 4n squared minus 2n squared. So basically we're gonna get an n squared plus 2n plus 2 times n squared minus 2n plus 2, which means that our sum, right, is equal to, is equal to the sum from n equals 2 till infinity of, so we can get that 1 over 2 to the power n out of here. So it's 3n squared plus 10n plus 6 over n squared plus 2n plus 2 times n squared minus 2n plus 2. So now the thing we want to do is get a minus in that expression and try telescoping. So when we get the minus, terms start to simplify, and eventually we'll get to a result. So basically that is equal to 1 over 2 to the power n times the sum from n equals 2 until infinity, and what we want here is something over n squared plus 2n minus 2n, whatever, n squared minus 2n plus 2 minus n squared plus 2n plus 2. So we want to find something here and something here. So you can note that 3n squared plus 10n plus 6, that's basically the same as 4n squared plus 8n plus 4 minus n squared, let's see, plus 2n minus 2. Yes. So basically that's the same as 4 times this expression. So we're gonna put a 4 here, and that's simply the opposite of that expression. So it's a 1. So now that we've reached this situation, we can start trying out a couple of terms. For example, for n equals 2. Before that, let's just get this 1 over 2 to the power n back into our expression. So 4 over 2 to the power n times n squared minus 2n plus 2 minus 1 over 2 to the power n times n squared plus 2n plus 2. So basically let's try n equals 2. So for n equals 2, that is equal to 4 over 2 squared times, so basically it's a 4 minus 4 and a 2, so a 2 squared times 2. So, and that's a 1 over, let's see, a 1 over 1 over, I'm sorry, 2 squared times 4 plus 4 plus 2, which is a 10. So that's for n equals 2. So let's just complete. Let's just see for what happens when we take other values. So plus. So now let's try for n equals 3. So 4 over 2 to the power 3, and that's a 9 minus 6 plus 2, which is a 5, minus 1 over a 2 to the power third times a 9 plus, let's see, 9 plus 3 plus 2, which is a 14. So let's see now for n equals 4. So it's a 4 over 2 to the power 4 times, okay, so it's a 16 minus 8 plus 2, which is a 10, and minus 1 over 2 to the power 4 times a what? A 16 plus 8 plus 2, which is a 26. Okay, so basically that terms right over here seems to cancel with that one. And we can expand this some further, but this observation is very important. So we're going to conjecture that 1 over 2 to the power n times n squared plus 2n plus 2 is the same as 1 over 2 to the power n plus 2 times what? So basically the 10 is in, let's see, because one is minus 2n and the other one is plus 2n. So the one with the 1, it's plus. Okay, so that's a minus. Plus n plus 2. So you can see that this is true. You can see it. You can just, I'll leave it to you guys. This is just do this and you'll get the result. So now we're going to notice that this terms cancels with that one. For example, that term right over here cancels with the one that comes with the first one that comes two terms after. So basically we're only left with that one and that one. So basically our sum from n equals 2 until infinity of 3n squared plus 10n plus 6 over 2 to the power n times n to the power 4 plus 4 is actually equal to 4 over 2 squared plus 2 plus 4 over 2 to the power 3 plus 5, which is a 4 over 8 plus a 2 over 40. So I think you can calculate this, guys. Anyways, it's an 11 over 20. And this is our result. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's all for today.